Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change pose of your 3D Bitmoji in Snapchat on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device. So let's start. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat app. So here is my Snapchat app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that just tap on your Bitmoji at the top left. So here I have my profile page opened, and after that just swipe down from here. Let me do that. And you can see guys, this is my 3D Bitmoji, and currently I have this pose. So in order to change pose of your 3D Bitmoji, you have to come to this menu and then tap on this pose and background. And I have this screen opened. Just tap on this poses. And you can see guys, we have various poses over here. And also you can scroll down to find out more poses. Okay. So currently I have this pose selected. So just go to the pose that you want and then tap on it to select it. So I want this pose. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now selected. And after that, just tap on this save this button at the top right. So let me tap on this save button. It's saving. So it's now done. After that, just tap on this cross, this link over here. Let me tap on this. So that's it. In this way, you can easily change pose of your 3D Bitmoji in Snapchat on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.